Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to walk you through on how to change your PIN for your Bank of America account. Whether you want to enhance your security or just forgot your old one, we've got you covered. First, if you want to change your PIN, head to the Bank of America ATM. Once you're there, simply select More Options on the screen and then choose Change PIN. It's that easy. Just follow the prompts and you'll have a new PIN in no time. If you're not near an ATM, you can also change your PIN by scheduling an appointment at a Bank of America financial center. A representative assists you with the process, and it's a straightforward option if you prefer to face-to-face interaction. But what if you don't remember your current PIN? No worries, you'll need to request a new PIN. To do this, you can call 800-432-1000 during business hours. Their hours are Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. and Saturday to Sunday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. All times are in Eastern Time, so make sure to plan accordingly. When you call, you'll be guided through the steps to verify your identity, and they will mail you a reminder with your new PIN. Just keep your eye on your mailbox for that. Changing your PIN is crucial for maintaining your account security, so don't hesitate to make the action if you need to. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.